In 2022, scientists took skin cells from a 53-year-old and rewound their biological clock by 30 years. That trick doesn't work on a whole human yet, but some very well-funded people are betting it will inside our lifetime. So today, we're answering the question that a lot of you think about in the mirror. When do you get your 25-year-old body back? But the future is probabilistic. On this channel, we don't predict the future, we put numbers on it. So using the latest reprogramming research and where the serious longevity money is actually flowing, here's the question. What are the odds you get a body that functions like 25 again, and when? There are 5 roads chasing that. Let's rank them. Road number 1. What you're already doing. Diet, the gym, sleep, supplements. It's what wellness culture already sells you, and it generally helps you age well. But it doesn't turn the clock back. It just slows how fast it ticks forward. Odds that this alone gives you a 25-year-old body, basically 0% at any point. But keep exercising and eat apples. Road number 2, pills already in a pharmacy, like Metformin, rapamycin, cheap, approved for other things, and already used off-label by longevity doctors because they slow aging in animals. There is a real trial right now called TAME, testing metformin on humans. But slowing a clock still isn't turning it back. Odds of an actual reversal from this route by 2035, 5%. By 2050, 15%. Road number 3, clearing out your zombie cells. As you age, some cells stop dividing but refuse to die. They just sit there, leaking inflammation everywhere. Drugs called Senolytics are built to clear them out, and early human trials already show real gains in how tissue functions. Odds by 2035, 15%, and 40% by 2050. Road number 4, rebooting the cells themselves. This is the one I talked about in the introduction. It's partial reprogramming, switching on a handful of genes that tell a cell how old it thinks it is. In 2025, a company co-founded by longevity scientist David Sinclair started dosing human patients for nerve damage from glaucoma. Not whole body rejuvenation yet, but the first real human safety test. Odd that this method gives you your 25-year-old body back by 2035, 10%. And it jumps to 45% in 2050. Now road number 5. Skip the cell and swap the part. Here's the one that most people don't expect. Instead of making your liver young again, you just replace it. Surgeons have already put genetically modified pig kidneys into living patients, human patients, and one of them was still alive and doing fine 6 months in, as of late 2025. So that part is already happening inside a real human body. Bioprinting a full organ from your own cells is still stuck in the lab, but it's moving forward down the same road, and it's coming for us in just a few years. Odds that this works by 2035, 20%, and it jumps to 55% by 2050. Now stack all 5 roads together, and here's where it lands. The odds that you're walking around with a body that generally functions like 25 by 2050 are 40%. So the chances are very real. Now, look at these numbers again. Every single road gets better between 2035 and 2050. None of them gets anywhere near 90%. And it's not for lack of money. I mentioned Bezos, Altman, and Thiel in the video about the first immortal human. Between them, there are $4 billion invested in reprogramming the human body to live longer, maybe eternally. So the investments are there and they are real. Here's the actual twist. The ceiling isn't cash. What science is doing now is reverse engineering a trick that evolution has solved. Just never in us, in human bodies. A hydra, for instance, barely ages at all because it keeps rebuilding its own body from stem cells. A jellyfish called Turritopsis dohrnii can turn itself back into a baby version of itself and restart its life cycle when it's dying. So nature already proved age reversal isn't against the rules. We just haven't cracked the version that works on something built like us. That's exactly why the number keeps climbing the further out you look. Push the horizon to 2070 and the odds of a real age reversal treatment lands closer to 70%. Push it to 2100 once aging gets treated the way we already treat cancer or heart disease, as a pathology, a condition, not just a fact of life, and then it's closer to 90%. So yes, it's almost certain that we are getting there at some point. And if not for you, it will be for your children or your grandchildren. But the good news is, whether you get that age reversal treatment yourself or not, you may be able to live much longer than you expect. So the question you should be asking yourselves right now is, will you reach 150 years old? That's your next watch. This was Future Odds. Subscribe today, and I'll see you in the future.